in the seam rippers.
Yep.
And I've got one here. If somebody can highlight me there, you can see the spring. You didn't know what we were talking about.
Okay.
Dan, right?
Yes, right. From Illinois there, Dan.
Yeah. I got
There,
you.
here you go. Okay. This
know.
is what the spring looked like. I'm trying to get it here in the front. It's kind of a half round spring. It's coiled there, but when you put this in the tube, you kind of coil it up, pinch it down there so it's round, and then slip it inside to the tube, and that's what your ripper goes in, and it holds it from coming out of the holder itself. And like I say, that's I'm sorry, I probably don't have something good behind it so you can see it.
There we go.
Yeah, but that's kind of it's a odd shape, I guess, but it kind of hard to hang on to. It's out of stainless steel.
So what's the I'm dumb on this. What's the function of the spring on the seam ripper? Because I've made them without the spring, and I don't have an issue with them going in or staying in or popping them out.
Well, the ones that I was getting from Penn State, and the tube, the brass tube, when you insert it into your wood, you kind of scrunch that up and slip it right inside to the tube and just push it all the way in. Then when you put your blade, I'm gonna get one of them out here real quick. They're all in plastic bags. I can't seem to get it.
Oh, I thought it was just me that had all of them parts in plastic bags.
Oh, geez. But anyway, this happens to be a stiletto blade, but when it's all assembled in the wood and everything, this is just going to go right inside, and it holds it. That tension on there keeps it from coming out of the ripper, and you can take it out and turn it around and store the blade or the ripper blade, whatever you're using. Okay. And but that tension on there is what holds it. Now that what we talked about last week was I had such a hard time when I started making custom seam rippers, and I was making them a little different shape for instead of a pin style, I made kind of like an onion bulb or something bigger. Was if the user had arthritis and couldn't hold on to the ripper or the blade very well, that bigger bulb was a lot better to hold. Now, when I started trying to find the components, I could buy all the components easily from several different suppliers, but none of them had that little spring to hold that blade into the unit. So just by chance, by golly, I came across on the internet searching. It's a place called P Squared, and it's located in Australia. That was the only place that they had them, and they at that time they were charging like 57 cents per blade. But like I say, coming from Australia, you had to pay different shipping charges and everything else to get them in here. But back at the time when I was looking for them, I ended up buying 100 of them just to make it worth my while to ship it in here. But they was excellent source, but they were located in it's Craft Imports in 25 Valley Court in Wandi, Western Australia is where it came from. Right. Now, we had a couple members that was in Australia, and I don't know if it's anywhere near where they were at or not, but like I say, the price was right in every place that I went. Nobody had, this was the P Squared was the company there, but like I say, it's that's the ones I was using. I hadn't didn't know about the type that you guys are using to hold that blade in there, but that's what I've been using. So anyway, that's great. That's what it looks like.
You're able to pull that out and show us.
All right, okay.